Going for a dip, dip, skip, skip. Yeah, pretty nice, mate.
Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Oh.
My oh my, what a wonderful day.
Did you touch the ground?
No.
Don't lie.
No, I didn't. Oh, you got some real. Don't lie, laddie. Right, lad.
Oh, little bit. Oh, bloody beautiful. So it is, eh?
Is that English?
At the end of the day, you're the skipper and you can beat the call. We need a mental health day.
Oh, skipper!
Yeah,
Let's get a bonsai, cunt.
Oh, I think I just got a view of your fucking balls.
Oh, what the fuck is on my toe? It's just.
Nice?
Oh yeah.
Oh, refreshing. This should be a morning ritual.
Oh, it's fucking salt mine.
What's in your pocket? Is it just really water? Your back pocket?
Go, Sheffy.
Don't accept me like that, Tony.
Hair's on your way.
No, you know.
The princess got her
This is a little dry fucking bun. This is the life on the island, mate. What's up, guys? Are you going for a swim? What the hell is that? Oh, it's squid. Fucking weird. Are you gonna go see him? Tell him to come over here. Bring the tender.
bloody beautiful mine.
A little dip before a charter. Run up to the island, grab some supplies, set up the boat, and fucking smash our 4-hour difficult day. Ew.
So hard.
L9L, Pondy Island. Where I see. Usually we stock up enough for the few days, but sometimes we don't have all the shit in Mandra, so we come to the general. To the general, to the general. Booyaka, booyaka, when the general come.
Booyaka, booyaka.
Change down, Jamrock.
Whoa.
else? We're on a mission for ice. What else are we getting? Snacks. What else are we getting?
I want gluten-free cereal and lactose-free, onion-free, garlic-free fucking milk.
Smooth
Big
buttocks.
fluffy flaps of his.
Fluffy flaps.
Big fluffy flaps.
It is fucking mayhem on this island.
I reckon everybody should fuck off.
Just let us have the island alone today. Thanks, everyone. Appreciate that.
Oh yeah, couple. Now, one thing about the island, look at the size of the fruit. Like, look at the size of these avocados next to my big head. Look at these mangoes. Even the cherries can. It's like they inject everything on the ferry.
They fucking sell all the good shit on the island into other countries, and then they fucking give us shit in the city. That's how it works. How many?
6.
6.
Actually, are we going to fill up the whiskey down below as well?
Can do.
Yeah. That takes out. Show me your muscles. Oh my god, you're so big.
Just stacking.
This is my Tetris.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. We will be seeing you later, liquor store. You're going to be a gentleman and pull this trolley, aren't you, darling? Yeah. Oh, such a gentleman. Oh, I think we're ODing on ice though. The trolley's going to break. Sorry.
There she is.
Bacon and eggs and shit.
I got nothing.
So
I think Mateo got bacon.
She's got legs like Jody. Hello, young sir. We got the gluten. The gluten has been acquired.
and the tallest milk.
The tallest.
Tallest.
Bacon. Bacon. You got milk and Jack? I'll eat it, buddy. Sure, you got some. I'll say like roughly 12 miles. You're on, you're uploading. Highly favored. I'm super cute.
Look, by the saddle. Please, subscribe to our channel so I can buy the saddle.
Bless.
Bless you. Bless you.
There he is, a Canadian fella.
How you going,
How you going, bro? Nice to see you, brother.
Good to see you, bro.
Doing all
There
right?
you go.
Thank you. Sorry, thank you so
Thanks,
much.
guys.
Jeez, you drop your wheat bix, mate. You don't want to drop your wheat bix.
They're not even ours. They're for the other skip. That's gluten-free, garlic-free, onion-free, fucking lactose-free, dairy-free, everything free.
What a boring cunt.
Fanny.
What a boring cunt.
What a boring cunt, mate. How do you go? How can you be free of everything?
Oh, it's horrible. I feel fucked up. I feel horrible. When we're all like banging down our fucking bacon and egg brioche bun with like barbecue sauce
Oh,
and
that
fucking.
sounds pretty good.
That's so yummy.
Where's the
How's your
kale?
New Year?
Where's the kale?
I just took it easy. I've been working my ass off.
Yeah, good.
10-hour days. I'm doing 6 a.m. starts,
Shit.
so I didn't bother with it.
Yeah.
I just had a couple of beers, made dinner, watched a movie.
Yeah. It's just another day.
Just treated it like another
Just
day.
another day.
I spend a lot of time awake, fucking sticking up.
Love it.
New Year's Eve doesn't mean much to me.
Yeah, no.
It was New Year's
We're
Eve.
getting old, Maddie. We're getting
It
old.
was New Year's Eve every week for fucking about
20 years.
2 decades in my life. So I'm quite happy going to bed early, showing my age.
Quite
How
right.
you going, mate? You been alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year. I'm Emma.
Emma,
Oh,
did I meet you last
Maddie
year?
B, Maddie B,
I don't
Emma.
think so.
Where are you from?
Scotland.
From Scotland.
So we've got a cooked
She's actually
Highlander,
Irish.
a cooked Highlander, Scottish, Canadian.
And a deckhand from...
Not Canadian, I'm Australian. These cunts don't know a fucking thing about me.
Oh, Puka Puka.
We've got a deckhand from Puka
Puka
Puka.
Puka. Yeah. Get back to fucking work, Maddie.
Alright, I'll see you soon.
Right,
Catch
take
Maddie.
care.
Have a beer.
I'm leaving tonight, just a honey. I'm leaving tonight. But yeah,
Another time.
I won't be back till next week.
Yeah, whatever.
next week.
Whenever it matches up.
Yeah, easy.
We're here. We're pretty much here from I think Wednesday next week.
Yep.
But yeah, if we're not here Wednesday, then it's usually Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
No worries, mate.
We'll see you
Okay.
then.
Look after yourself, buddy.
Toe, heel, toe, forward, 2, 3.
Why do they say?
I rubbed you on my baby. Hello folks, welcome to the island. Oh, you can lip balm. I can feel a pot on that thing. That's crazy. Wow, that's really good. Look at this. That's sick. That seems like a pillow. Oh, that's a nice little pot. I'm hopefully somebody's making breakfast because I need faith immediately. I'm a hungry Yale. Get that little bitty. Oh yeah, if I can believe these. Not bad, that thing is a little quick floating tires. That thing's long, eh? Long, long. Scary. Wait, stand up. Whoa! Bop, 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 bop. Is Tony still over there? Did Tony return?
Good.
Is there another milk?
Have we dropped a milk? Have we dropped a milk?
Oh, that's quite hot. Yeah, can you hear me? Yeah, I got you. Volume was a bit down. Come again? Yeah, too easy. We're on the way. 30 packs. Conditions are beautiful. The crew's in good moods. Oh, life's hard.
We need to sell this bottle away to the other side of the world.
I'll melt some plastic in the top of that and just stick it in there, some rope plastic or whatever, and we'll screw it on.
Where's the bottle? I'll do it now. I'm going to work, Mary. It's just joking. What a stunning day.
How many crays are we catching today?
I'm feeling like 9
9 keepers?
keepers, probably 12 throwbacks. Or we've been robbed. Completely fucking robbed. Either or.
I think it's too fucking far for this little cunt to come out here. I think it's probably just some little fucker in a tinny.
I reckon. Don't know what I reckon. To be honest. What the fuck's going on here? It's like.
Oh, that'll be wake from a boat.
There is no fun. So I was like, where the fuck's it come from? This looks like it's all meeting together and like getting a little bit confused.
So we'll smash this day, and then what?
And I've got a 6 o'clock ferry tonight.
So we'll go for a little dip.
Don't worry about.
Let's rip to the basin. Go for a little 45-minute snorky. Done.
Easy. Done. Goes in my little fishy rat. That I haven't seen in ages.
Alright, so we're pulling up the ponds.
Let's go, baby.
Let's go. Are you guys doing all good up here? No one's feeling sick or anything?
All good. All good. Thirsty.
Is everyone good downstairs? No one's getting sick or anything? Is everybody good downstairs? Is anyone getting sick?
The lady that's down below is looking a bit rough, so we probably want to try and wrap it up.
So no more cray talking and just rip the pots up or what?
Yeah, this time today I can get it done.
Copy that, mate. Pot coming up. Marine rescue. Nah, they can come in and out.
Oh, really?
They're not traps, just pots.
Oh, right, okay.
So they can come in, and then on each side of the 4, so 3 of 4 sides have a little strip that's just a bit bigger than the space of the battens, so that the cacas, the undersized crays, they can come and go as well. So as soon as that pot has no more bait in it, they'll scram.
They just think it's a nice little house.
Yeah. Oh, look what they've let for me.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Murder. Next time somebody offers you, look, we have an open buffet. Yeah. It's a trap. It's a trap. That's a nice little house. No, literally. Yeah, anyway, I love this. I love the honesty. Yeah.
Ready when you are, ready when you are.
Oh, good night.
Hey, keep it, yeah, put the raw sugar on, mate.
Yeah, all good.
Thank you.
All right, guys, just a heads up.
What's the heads up? Heads up. Cover your ears, Chris.
Yes, my father is always Okay.
I still wasn't ready.
It's the best part of my day, every day. I live for the screams.
I'll get him every
I don't even know if I'm saying it right. That's gonna be hard. All the way, mate. All the way. Hopefully the colours bring in like a full pot as well. Oh yeah. We'll mix it up a bit. We'll mix it up.
Surprised there's no sharks.
Do it all.
Usually we got 4 or 5 following the boat by now.
Is it really?
Yeah. Save the swim. So we got our pots done, 10 keepers, tossed 4 back, 3 got eaten by Ockies, and 2 of our stock have died. We're in the bay. Go anchor off, set up the pool, get these passengers in the water, and then we'll see what's up. Move.
And then Jordan, our son there, he came with her, he's an engineer, but he found a job there. All of us. My mother-in-law's Welsh, my father-in-law's Welsh.
I got a brother-in-law as well.
Oh, yeah, the same one.
Skip.
I won't go out with him anymore.
Crays are about to go in. Bear Mondays on the table, and we are happening. So we are done for the day. It's time to smash this boat off. Oh my goodness. Time to smash this boat off, get her clean, and go do some mini golf because Craig is leaving. So we're gonna go have some fun, spend some time with the old skip. All right, let's get to fucking work.
I'm taking that. That's mine. This counts.
Right, we're all spruced up.
Whisperusar. So we on the way. Gonna go try to do some putting.
Out the way.
Some putting for the old skipper before he leaves. Some,
Are you actually messaging his wife?
Yeah.
I'm so confused. What? Why is there so many numbers? Yeah, Craigo. Shit shot. What's going on, Crago? 2, 3, 4. 4, come on this one. There you go.
Rubbish.
Who's next? Tones.
Tony, you're up.
Who? Go.
Tony.
Tony's just too busy getting roasted.
So let's go next.
We should do it in alphabetical order.
Hey! 2. Alright, Debbie. Go, Debbie, Webby, Schmebby.
Where's my pink ball?
Really stressing me out how much.
Oh, you got pink balls.
Pink balls.
Yeah, baby.
Hello, Mr.
Show
Pink
me your
Ball.
blue balls.
Blue balls.
Yeah, baby. All day. All day. Alright, Captain Goldstripes. Let's see what you're made of, darling. Yep, bend the back a bit more. Give it a bit of a twishy, shanky. Love it. No pressure, doll. Tap it in. Tap. What the fuck was that? That didn't even get anywhere near the hole. He's kind of used to that, but Come on, Skippy. Can you do it on 2? Fuck that up as well. What is going on? Watch me
smash
sink it
it
in
real
6.
good in a fucking long distance, but
I was just about to say, surely not.
what is that, a 3?
Done. That was a 3.
Right, Tone, or Kaya.
Let's go,
Go, T. Go, T.
Go, T. Go, T.
We're out of fucking driving range, eh?
T, she's our man. She's got 1 ball.
The Happy Gilmore
Big
bucket.
nipples on the can.
Send it! Fuck, it's actually a bit far away, eh?
Fucking stoner. How far is
Not
that, man?
today, darling.
How far is that,
Not
man?
today.
How far is that, man?
Where's that going?
There's the old rebound. I was waiting to go sideways, go straight in.
Collect my balls.
I didn't wear my scarf.
Trying to collect my balls, hey?
Oh, see. There's a big red wing. See the red wing.
Come on, talking Tony. Let's see what you got, baby.
Watch him get fucking a hole in none.
A hole in none.
Play the path. Test the winds, doll. Test the winds.
Righto.
He'll
Get him
blame
up,
it
boy.
on the fucking slippers.
Way!
Oh,
That was a
Should've gone
nice
straight
one,
in.
Bob.
It had 2 passes by that hole, still
That
couldn't
was
make it.
Very good.
Sounds about right for Tony.
That's a bugger does at that hole.
Damn.
Daniel.
Give it a good ribbon. Give it a good ribbon.
Oh, well, the lads suck.
Oh, come on, I almost got a hole in 1.
Look at that. Yeah, the girls.
Yeah, I told him one.
Yeah. That little fuck.
Where is it?
Behind the tree now. Are you kidding? Crago.
What?
Hurry up, Leggy!
Hurry up, will ya?
Where's my lover, Leggy?
Oh, Craigo.
Go, Crago. Go, Crago.
Craig a fucking closet fucking mini golfer, is he?
Not this
He's in
round.
the closet a bit
He's
a
like
lot.
nothing closet, he just fucking plays every weekend.
Yay! 3.
Tree.
3.
Tree like a,
Tree.
like a big bush, like a
That was
tree.
a nice tree.
Oh, you were meant to
Didn't
put
get
it back in its course and get a 1-stroke penalty.
What?
What was that? 3.
Yeah. I didn't need to. Let's chip the fuck
Do you
out.
know who he is?
I had my backwards
Do you
fucking-
know who
boom.
this is?
It's a backwards boom.
He's Tony Howell from Cape Lodge.
Exactly.
The one and only.
I was telling the guests today, I said, they were like, oh, Tony knows what he's doing, eh, with food. And I says, I'll ask him where he worked. He says, you'll hear all about it.
Yeah, maggot. That's all you deserve.
It's the back hustle that fucks you up.
Tell me I got something
Oh,
to give. Holy poly schmoly.
Don't hit Walker.
Good luck. Good luck. You got it. Do you want some good luck, Kogo? Oi. Oh! Oh! Yes, Tom! You're kidding.
Here, I got something for you.
Who's this?
Tony, I got something for you. Here.
Hello, guys.
Are you guys
Come on,
gonna
funky
join in?
toes. Oh, we're just coming over. Look. Oh.
Oh, shit.
Oh, it's in, it's in, it's
Oh,
in.
yes, yes.
Oh.
Fuck.
You always get it in both holes.
If you weren't here.
You always get it in both holes, not just one.
You've changed. Normally you can get the ball in the hole easy.
Hole in one.
Yeah.
Filming it all.
She usually gets 2 holes.
That was gold right there. Keep talking, cunt.
2 holes, not one.
Anyway, moving right along.
What's going on? Bend over,
Nothing,
motherfucker.
I didn't
Let's
say a
go. How's your Chrissy up? How's your Chrissy New Year?
Thank you.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
had a
we had a
great
great time.
Did you stay in Motta? Or
No, we only got here a week ago.
yeah.
Only.
Oh.
We came on Tuesday.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
That's something.
Stop, you fucker.
We pulled
I
out
think
these,
it's their
tell my brother
fault,
fucking loves
Tony.
Australia, right? Look at all these Aussie flags. I was like, it's the best.
You reckon?
Australia Day.
Oh, classic.
Two.
You're the one
love
to paint yourself blue and like all the
Hey.
tattoos and
Proud
stuff.
Aussie, mate. Yeah. You know.
Fuck. Last thing on my fucking mind, man. No way. Especially tap it in.
As she sends it, fucking
That's it.
Mach
Monday.
18.
You're on the money.
Keep rolling, cunt.
I got that. Keep rolling, cat. Hey!
Rimmed it. She got the rimmage.
We got the ribbons. We got the ribbons. And I got another two. Two.
Mine, is it?
Why don't you just save him a stroke or 3 and just mark down a fucking tree?
So if it's always about a stroke, I would have been winning.
Are you actually drawing little trees? Because he's going to have a forest.
Yeah. If one falls down, you're going to hear it.
Fucking oath, I'm watching every one. Wait for it. This will be his hole in one right here.
Money. Nah.
Sorry, we spoke too soon there, Tone Tone.
Oh.
You almost got a nice little rim job too.
Come on, Tones. Back up the rimmies. You got it, baby.
Oh no, it's wrong, it's wrong.
Too much oops.
That's the wrong line from here.
Yeah. Tap.
But it would have been 2. Need a
Gotta
tree.
stand
Oh, no.
No, tree. Him a paw.
There you go,
Oh,
Tones.
Him a paw, him a paw tree. Him a paw tree.
It's food time. We're gonna get some grubs and see one night. We can't be fucked making Tony cook tonight and waiting, and we want a lump.
Oh, look at that. Tasty.
Is it a cup that's tasty?
The olives up there.
I might go get some other shit. A liter of ice cold milk. That's what we're doing. Snacks.
Snacks and fat cunt.
No, you're not. You're just a little plump.
It's what?
Just a little plump. Wow! Yeah, for the gram. Look so alive.
I feel alive.
$20 for a Scotchy, brother. Wild. $20 for a Scotch fillet. And it ain't even that big. These T-bones are fucking beef ribeye, $21 for that little thing. Oh. That T-bone's small as fuck.
Yeah, it's bigger than that.
Beef ribeye, $40. That's insanity.
That's fucking.
I can't do it just out of principle. Just out of principle, they ain't getting it. Fuck it, it's gotta be something else. We're eating like shit tonight and I don't care.
At least it's nice and flat. Why can it not be like this to board to get?
That's high as fuck.
It's a full big about this.
That road was above the fucking rails when we left.
I say she's sweet, exactly how she is. Keep her nice and tight.
Look at the moon.